It's Margarita, and we're taking it back to the house of Jo Malone with Scarlet Poppy, Cologne Intense. Now, as many of you may know, Jo Malone has been pumping up the volume in her fragrances because most of those colognes are worse than body splashes in regards to performance. However, I could not wait to try the Cologne Intense version. Hopefully, it gives more than the standard cologne. The packaging is very basic. Jo Malone packaging, especially for the price of over $300 for one of these bottles, I would expect more. It's got the little paper, looks like a little coffin. And this is how it comes. The bottle is really cute. It's this deep, dark Merlot color. And I like it. Her bottles are elegant. I love this hard glass rectangular shape. I love the rough edges, rigid edges, not rough. But let me see what it smells like. Great coverage on the atomizer. And it's not a hard spray, but it is a bursty spray. Ooh, that smells good. It's got a little projection. I'm already smelling some without putting my nose all the way up to my hand. This is nice. I'm already picking up some lipsticky vibes. Now, part of me is I don't have the full notes list in front of me, but I'm just going to use my nose. If you've smelled lipstick on by, I think that's a Maison Margiela fragrance, or I think Juliet Has a Gun has a lipstick one. I can't think of the name of it. This is very lipsticky, which makes me believe that there might be some iris, or there could be some other notes as well. I forget what all the notes, they go lipsticky, but this lipsticky tends to go powdery. That's why I'm thinking it might have some iris in it. It's not for me because of that powdery element. I do not like powdery fragrances. However, this does smell good. It smells really good. It will be great as a candle. And you know, Jo Malone makes fantastic candles. So that said, I see why this fragrance translates to a candle scent as well. It's sweet, but it's not a sickening sweet. It's almost like cranberry sauce. That is what it smells like. Cranberry sauce. If you don't know what cranberry sauce is, it's this basically amplified jellied version of things that you put in stuffing or dressing, depending on where you're from, how you refer to it. So if you want to smell like powdery cranberry sauce, definitely go for Jo Malone's Scarlet Poppy. It doesn't smell bad. It's just not for me because of the powdery version. Now, if it was just straight cranberry sauce, I'd be all over it, probably trying to spray it down my throat like it was Banaka, but I digress. Also, if you'd like to try a decant of any fragrance on this channel and some that are not on this channel, if it is still in my collection, it is on my website, whistlenotes.com. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.